Are you in grade 10 and struggling to score good marks but don't know how to? This video is for you. Hi everyone, I am Sarakshi Kadam. In this video, I will be sharing how I managed to score 94% in my 10th board exam, all tips and tricks and strategy that I followed in my 10th class. But more importantly, I will be sharing all the mistakes which I made so you may not repeat. First, I will be sharing my study routine. So this is my study timetable. I used to wake up at 3:45 in the morning. Then I used to have my first study session from 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. Then I had my school, so I used to get ready for school and go to school. I used to come back from school at 3 p.m. So from 3 p.m. to 3:30, I used to have my lunch. From 3:30 to 7:30, I used to have my second study session. After my second study session, I used to take my dinner from 7:30 to 8. Then from 8 to 9:30, I used to have my third study session, which includes writing work, all the homework, assignment, project, whatever. And then I used to write my to-do list for the next day. Then I used to wind up and sleep at 10. So I used to follow this routine very strictly. Not completely, but partially, or 90% I used to stay away from all my school friends and school activity. I used to just focus on my studies and everything in my 10th grade, especially in for the last 6 months. And for now, we will be discussing what subject I used to study in that particular study session. So for my first study session, which was for 4 a.m. in the morning to 7 a.m., so all the learning part which required focus and very much focus, and all learning part I used to do in morning. So particularly I used to do science and SST. From Monday to Wednesday I used to do science, and from Thursday to Saturday I used to do SST. So for my study session second, which was from 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. in afternoon. So from 3:30 to 6:30, I used to do English and Marathi. I had Marathi as a second language. From Monday to Wednesday, I used to do English, and from Thursday to Saturday, I used to do Marathi. From 6:30 to 7:30, I used to do maths daily. Maths is a subject which needs daily practice, so I used to do maths daily. I used to solve 20 sums daily for maths. And on Saturday, I had extra time, so I used to do maths from 1:30 to 3:30. So this is how I used to manage all my subjects. So this is how I used to manage all my subject in my weekdays. Now for Sunday, I used to revise what I did the entire week so that I can have a plan, and used to also make a plan for the next week. And on Sunday, I used to do all the assignment stuff or whatever which I have left for the week, or in a week if I could not do any chapter or whatever I have to do and I could not do. So I used to do that on Sundays. So Sundays is also used to be like full. So you can study on Sunday according to you. You need not to just you need to keep one day so that you can do whatever your stuff which was remaining for the entire week. In next session, we will be talking about all my study strategy. Now, my study strategy. For this, I will talk subject wise. So let's begin with maths. So maths, it's one of my favorite subject. मतलब आप में से बहुत लोगों को मैथ्स डर लगता होगा, ये सोचते होंगे इसका फेवरेट है, तो हाँ, was one of my favorite subject. मतलब science and maths were my favorite subject. I still like maths. But the thing was that I used to do maths daily. I used to solve daily 20 to 25 sums. I used to solve them. Of course, the first and foremost thing is to pay attention in your class. स्कूल में या आपका ट्यूशन होगा, मुझे ट्यूशन नहीं था, मैं बिना कोचिंग के किया है. सो मेरे स्कूल में जो भी था उसमें मैं एकदम फोकस करके सुनती थी और वहीं पे सारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करती थी. एंड देन आई टू कम बैक होम एंड टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी itself. For the I think I solved NCERT something 5 to 6 times. आई थिंक ज़्यादा बार ही किया होगा, हाँ 5-6 बार मिनिमम बोल रही हूँ. एंड आई यूज टू सॉल्व दैट ओसवाल बुक एंड RD Sharma. I think of solving. I solved few questions, but I could not complete it. But yeah, Oswald and NCERT many times. So I used to solve that, and of course स्कूल में भी जो सर सम देते थे, असाइनमेंट देते थे, वो भी. So daily 20 sums for maths. Concept should be made clear into the classroom. एंड डेली यू नीड टू सॉल्व मैथ्स. मैथ्स एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसको प्रैक्टिस लगती है. अगर आप ऐसे बोलोगे कि नहीं मतलब नहीं आ रहा है, एक दिन में करोगे और फिर बोलोगे नहीं आ रहा है, इससे नहीं होगा. डेली तुमको करना है. डेली यू विल फाइंड दैट यू आर इम्प्रूविंग. क्वेश्चंस होते हैं कि प्रूव दैट एंड प्रूव दिस, ट्रायंगल्स में या फिर इसमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में इसको प्रूव करो, ये वो. तो वो नहीं आता है इनिशियली, तो फिर नहीं आता है क्योंकि उसमें बहुत प्रैक्टिस लगती है. सो प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो आएगा. सो डेली यू शुड सॉल्व मैथ्स एटलीस्ट 2 sums, at least 20 sums, sorry. And yeah, daily practice of maths is essential. It was about maths. Talking about the next subject, which is science. So for science again, concept is important. अगर आप कोचिंग जाते हो तो वहाँ से करो या जो भी जहाँ से करना है. मेरे नोट्स रहते थे, मैं नोट्स बनाती थी, कभी वीडियोस देख के, कभी कुछ इधर उधर से या व्हाटएवर. हाँ, मेरी एक था ऑनलाइन कोचिंग, बट आई डोंट यूज्ड टू डू इट रेगुलरली. सिर्फ कभी मतलब जिसकी ज़रूरत होती थी उसके हिसाब से करना था. मैं अपना नोट्स निकालती थी. स्कूल में भी मैं नोट्स बनाती थी, स्कूल से ही नोट्स बनते थे मेरे और वही से नोट्स बनाती थी. दैन आई यूज्ड टू रीड NCERT थरोली. आई रीड NCERT मैनी टाइम्स. साइंस के NCERT सब कुछ पढ़ा है उसमें से, और क्वेश्चंस उसमें से ही आते हैं बोर्ड के लिए. सो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करना, NCERT पढ़ना, एंड आई यूज्ड टू सॉल्व ओसवाल. अगेन ओसवाल बुक्स आई रिकमेंड फॉर 10th standard. So again, I used to solve OSWAL for science. NCERT reading is must for science. Talking about SST, so SST was my weakest subject ever. I never liked SST. So for SST, the only thing which I used to do is रट्टा मार. मैं उसको रटती थी. Of course मुझे समझता था, because of course मतलब लैंग्वेज तो इंग्लिश होती थी तो उसको समझती थी. Of course क्लास में टेंशन रहता था, and I used to just गो लाइक रट्टा मारो उसको टाइप था मेरा. मेनी टाइम्स मैंने उसको रट्टा मारा है, पर आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट थिंक दैट SST वॉज माई वीकेस्ट सब्जेक्ट. एंड सो या आई टू जस्ट डू रट्टा मार टाइप फॉर SST, 1 lesson 1 day. तो एंड देन नेक्स्ट इज़ इंग्लिश अगेन क्लास में अटेंशन पे करना. देन घर आके जो था रीड करना, NCERT में जो भी हमारे लेसन्स रहते हैं उसको मल्टीपल टाइम्स रीड करना. For grammar section, practice is important. So for practice, I used to just find some question from any book, Oswal book, or from any book, and used to solve grammar के लिए. Again, practice is important for grammar. And English के दोनों जो lessons थे उसको मैं पढ़ती थी अच्छे से. For Marathi, writing practice was essential. Marathi and Hindi. Because for Marathi and Hindi, the thing was कि that you have to write down, because उसमें मात्राओं की mistakes होती है. So मैं लिख के देखती थी properly all the things. So writing is important for Marathi and Hindi. Writing practice all the questions, all questions, back answers, and poems होते थे, whatever poems लिखती थी. So that I used to do for Marathi and Hindi as well. So this was all my kind of study strategy. Of course, NCERT is must. NCERT is very important. So you have to read NCERT many times. Just stick to one book. Like NCERT should be your goal. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होने चाहिए तुम्हारे नोट्स से, तो वो तुम्हारे नोट्स NCERT. एंड फॉर सॉल्विंग एनी बुक यू नीड टू सॉल्व. फॉर डूइंग एनीथिंग you need to have that OSWAL book. That's the thing. So you can solve this. So the next thing is mistakes which I made. So the thing was, in my school I was very participative, but in 10th standard I just left everything and I just started focusing on just used to be in my room and study the whole day. So that's not the thing. You can do one activity in 10th. You can either sports or dancing, any physical activity you can do if you want to, and you can study with it. Studying is important, but along with that refreshment is important, because 10th, 11th, 12th you have to be very focused for your studying, and you cannot be like you cannot be a bookworm type, or you cannot just isolate yourself from the world for 3 years. So you have to have some activity for 1 hour in a day, and then that will increase your productivity, of course. So that was the major mistake which I made during my 10th, 11th and 12th. So during my 10th standard, what I learned is you need to have discipline in your life. You need to study for the entire year, because कुछ स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो एग्ज़ाम के पहले पढ़ के भी बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लेकर आते हैं, बट दैट वोंट वर्क फॉर योर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम विच यू हैव टू फेस इन 11th and 12th. So you need to learn to study regularly and consistently in your 10th grade, which would help you for 11th and 12th. So in 10th, you need to focus on the thing that you have to sit for studying regularly, daily, so that this would help in your 11th and 12th. That's the most important thing, and you need to keep a balance in your studying and your other activity as well. So that's the major thing which I learned. So this was all about the video, and if you like the video, then please hit the like button, and also if you want more videos on studying tips and strategy, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.